The selfie-oriented niche may be a small one, but still active. Every now and then the manufacturer will launch a phone with a high-resolution front camera, assisted by an LED flash, and some software enhancements to boost your self-made mugshots. Today, we take a look at the Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro. As you are probably guessing by the name, it's a phone that wants to appeal to the social networking, selfie-loving crowd. This one ups the ante with a secondary, wide-angle selfie camera on the front, and a portrait mode for both the front and rear-facing snappers. Battery life. The Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro has a 3000 mAh battery in that slim body. And, we have to say, it's a marathon runner for sure. Even after testing it with games and taking it out for a photo shoot, the battery still had enough charge to take us through a whole day. Conclusion. The Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro is certainly not a bait phone. Its hardware is just right for an upper mid-range device. Its user interface is smooth and its customizations are actually fun to play around with. Its thin profile and metal build make it look and feel like a premium handset, yet it still holds a rather large battery and definitely lasts a while. Its display is a pleasure to look at and can be set to taste, whether you love super punchy colors or soft and subdued ones. But we can't help but judge it on its promise of a great camera. Its photos may be detailed, but are mediocre in all other aspects. The dual-pixel 24MP and portrait mode features are mostly there to fill a spec sheet. We did enjoy the wide-angle selfie camera, but it's just not enough to save the phone. These features sound like they should justify a $380 price tag, but seeing how usable they are, we'd say they don't. If anything, we'd say the ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro's strongest points are its physical look and feel, and if you decide to buy it for that, go right ahead. Meanwhile, we've got the people's champions, the Moto G5 Plus, $229, and Moto G5S Plus, $279.99, with the same hardware, clean Android experience, and lower prices, making it hard to talk about the ZenFone without mentioning them as alternatives.